Hai, good morning. Pagi ni nanti pergi pasar beli daun-daun sayur-sayur untuk nak buat laksa Johor. I tak pandai buat laksa Johor. Laksa Johor tu kuah dia kawan I bagi. So I just have to siapkan sayur-sayuran dia and maybe boil a little bit of pasta for my lunch. Okay, aunty nak cakap today pasal remedy yang aunty pakai. My sister tadi call, dia cakap dia dengan husband dia dengan anak dia kena COVID. Dia pun tak tahu dia orang kena kat mana, and she said she tak demam. Tapi dia cakap dia sakit tekak and batuk-batuk. So I told her to boil the buah lai lah. And then I cakap dekat dia, I personally kalau I rasa macam I bangun pagi my tekak dry, I akan terus ambil garam and I akan masukkan dalam my tekak directly. Sikit je, just a pinch of salt, and I leave it. I will do that the whole day. Bila I rasa tekak I kering je, I letak garam. Bila I rasa kering je, I letak garam. So I told her to do that, and then she said yang batuk tu dia memang nak buat lah yang buah lai tu. So I kata okay, drink the water and all that. I kata minum air banyak. And then I also recommended for her to beli Himalayan lemon salt lozenges, because I think that helps a lot. Aunty takkan isap satu lozenges because there's a lot of sugar in there. So satu lozenges tu I akan potong 4. I beli container kecil dekat pharmacy yang orang tua-tua letak ubat tu. I potong 4 and I masuk dalam tu. Every time I rasa macam nak batuk, masa nak tidur kan, takkanlah kita nak minum air ataupun nak letak garam kan. So kadang-kadang I just take the tiny lozenges in my throat and baru boleh tidur. So I hope that helps. Okay, garam, air buah lai dan lozenges Himalayan honey lemon with salt. Okay, beli yang tu. Try tengok. I think that works a lot. Okay, lagi satu, kalau you tak boleh dapat benda-benda tu semua, you boleh ambil ubat batuk cap ibu dan anak. Okay, tapi jangan ambil satu sudu. Aunty selalu tuang sikit aja dekat ujung sudu tu, and I will ambil the ubat batuk cap ibu dan anak. Kalau tak ada benda-benda lain dah, kalau kita dekat kampung, you just go to the pharmacy, that's all they have, cap ibu dan anak, ubat batuk tu. Tapi you jangan ikut instruction minum satu sudu. You bubuh sikit je dekat ujung sudu tu, you makan. So bila you sakit tekak ataupun you batuk, you tak tahan, you just ambil sikit, so that you don't have to wait every 4 hours. Because kadang-kadang kita batuk tu continuously kan. So you isap sikit-sikit. Okay. Petua my father pula, buat air asam jawa. Letak garam sikit, letak gula sikit. The air asam jawa, you dilute it and you can drink that too. That one is for demam and also for sakit tekak. Okay. I hope that helps. Bye.